So now my partner called. I gotta open it and wait here for him so we can take it inside. The same box, you can use it for trash. Slide stuff to the sides. Now you put all this in there. Keep it nice and organized. Gotta take this bottom cardboard that holds the drum out. I tilt it out the way. So now I just patiently wait for my partner. Take out this so the water comes out. Water will come out from here. So you guys see, the reason why water comes out is because they test the machines before they ship them out. So you guys know, I've had customers tell me that's a used machine. Well, yeah, it's used because they gotta test them out. Little secret, we keep these. Little gift for the installer, you know. While I wait for my partner, you're gonna want to put on this drain hose. Make sure you put it on right. Very easy. Very easy. Come I'll show you guys. Okay. So I basically just turn it. All you gotta do is pinch it with your pliers, take it off, put it on there, make sure it's on right. Now, the easy part. Me dijo. Yeah. Showing them how to install a drain hose. What you do, the steps of being a helper, you know?
Yes.
So people come and they don't act like rookies. You watch my YouTube video?
Enfrente hay una válvula. Ayer te enseñé en pura tanga. Sí, papi. Ajá. Ay, Rogelio.
Hoy es el episodio de delivery.
¿Pull up? ¿Quieres dejar un
Straps, no?
strong day stuff? Si quieres vamos a
You don't know until you try. Huh, you don't know if you're gonna fail until you try.
Yeah.
See, I recorded myself today. Every day I record.
Good job, partner.
Oh, we are in YouTube, your black dad.
Yeah.
Hi, good morning, guys.
Let's put it in.
Yup. Alrighty, so thanks to YouTube.
we are in actually black dad.
Una, dos, tres, tamarindo.
Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
The new one for you, because they're better.
Better, wasted less light.
Do you have any school in like to speak Spanish?
Oh yeah, we all speak Spanish, but
No,
because
we have because I want to learn Spanish.
Oh,
There's a
okay.
school.
Esta está la línea.
honestly, I don't know about Spanish school, but what there is,
How do you learn?
Class.
Your
you pass
mother,
that
your
to class?
father?
yeah,
Oh,
they teach you everything. When growing up, you know, your language.
The clamps, two of these, two of them.
Oh, I can pretend I'm cooking one more.
Oh look, she's
Oh,
cooking
yeah.
for us. There's the best customers there is.
See, I have quesadilla today for your breakfast. guys.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for helping
God
us.
bless you.
Yeah, ready? Una,
Ready.
dos, tres. Una, dos, tres. Y ya.
Okay.
Here you
A
go,
special
partner.
quesadilla with ham. With the ham
She's hooking it up, guys.
Yeah, this looks so good. Can I take a bite of
and the
it?
cheese.
Go ahead.
Before it gets cold, huh?
The special
Go ahead,
cheese.
go ahead.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Well, give to Chris and to
And to my partner Miguel over there, he's
Okay,
the
Miguel,
expert.
Just
Here's the
you see this
finished
one.
product.
Wow, it's very crispy and yummy. And with matching coffee. Okay?
Thank you.
I'm ready, partner. I'm ready to fly and touch the sky.
You hear my partner? Oh my gosh, he's so excited because it's Friday.
tomorrow you're off.
No, tomorrow we're working still. Monday through Saturday.
Coffee time,
Coffee
guys.
time.
Coffee time.
Sunday
Right. I'm ready for coffee.
Here, just drink coffee for yourself.
We
Here.
finished the installation, no leaks, everything is good, ready to go.
Big good.
Good thing we're leaving this customer nice and happy. Look at her, she's laughing because she's happy.
Good
Thank you for the
job, good job,
quesadilla.
yeah, Good job, good job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Hope
you,
enjoyed
Mr.
the
George.
quesadilla today.
Have a good day, George.
You too,
I did.
sir.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
And you'll be getting a survey if you could please help me and my partners out with today's service.
Sure, 5
With the
stars.
10,
5
10
stars.
please.
Thank you for helping us.
You're welcome. Ahí va el partner.
The cheese soup dry?
Lo bueno que esa quedó aquí grabada. Si un día marcan que liqueado, no, ahí tengo el pinche video.
Márcale Jesus dry, pues míralo. Sonríe, papi, a la cámara. Guapo. Mira, unas calcetas, güey. Unos socks así.
Ajá.
Pero eran del Manchester United, güey.
Sí.
Y tenían casi un escudo como ese, güey. Pero era el diablito, güey. El red,
Oh,
así.
ok.
Pero como de ese rojo, un poquito más rojo, güey. El escudo del Manchester United se miraban bien perros, güey.
Yeah. It's better. Now that you took off the doors, let's just do the strap.
Yeah. One of the straps is right here. Where did this one be the straps? ¿Dónde dejaste el strap, Carrillo? ¿Cuál? El strap. Allá arriba. ¿Lo traigo de volada?
Organize the truck. Boom. Échame esa basura, Rogelio. Salud. Échame esa basura, porfa. Estamos listos para la que sigue. Next one. Number 4. A ver, yo me lo llevo con ese güey. Oh, put your shirt. I used to take off my shirt. That's why I wear 2 overs. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
qué fuertote estás.
Ay, güey. Ay, güey.
Jesus, jáláselo un poquito, güey.
Es todo, eso. That should help a lot.
Chris, acá lo bajan y tú entras, Chris. Para que entre con un baby swing.
Bájalo, Jesus. Vamos a bajar.
La pajita del perrito.
No,